So hello, we're at the Jungle River Cruise, and this is the ride. I think I cried. Yes, I got scared. So yeah, this is the line. Oh, now we're in. So yay! There's the tour guide is explaining the animals. I think because there's no sounds. I think, and that's Tarzan's house. And ooh, look at this! Look at the trees. It's a tree house. Look at the trees. So pretty. And look, an elephant and a baby elephant. It's mommy and daddy. Right? No, it's mommy and baby. Look, waterfall and a baby elephant. Ooh, a big spider. Slow mo. Spider, yay! Spider, I didn't know the snakes though. Whoa. We're gonna go and snake. Ooh, look at that. It's a cobra, alligator, or I don't know, alligator. I think alligator. Look. Ooh, gorilla in the house. Elephant and zebra. Yeah, zebra. They stopped to look at the elephant and zebra. Yeah, looks very cute. Ooh, and giraffe. Yeah, giraffe. Yeah. I think we're almost at the part where I cried. Yep. Yeah. Yay, we're gonna go now. Ooh, and a big elephant. Rah! Why? Water pala. Yay, let's go. Ooh. Hit a bottom. Hit the. Ooh, skeleton. A boat with skeletons. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Wow, yeah. And there's like they're shooting water at us. This is the part where I cried. Yeah. Boats. They're shooting us. Wow, water, run. Okay. And now look. Oh, look at the water. It's splashing. It's crazy. Ooh, a volcano. It's about to erupt. Yeah, I think. Look. Ooh, look at the fire. Yeah. Boom. It's about to erupt. It's erupting. Yeah. So water. Lava and water makes smoke. Oh no! They make smoke. Run! Go crazy. Oh, now we're going to another ride. Phew. Yay! We're now about to escape. Yay. Now we're back. Bye